Hello everyone, and welcome to this demo of the Informatica Cloud Data Wizard for Salesforce. The Informatica Cloud Data Wizard is a next-generation data loader that enables easy data loading into Salesforce. Now, as we can see here, we only have a few accounts. What we're going to do is use the Data Wizard to load even more accounts from another data source. The Data Wizard is a completely native Force.com app and appears as a tab inside Salesforce, just like you'd find tabs for accounts, leads, contacts, and so on. The beauty of the Data Wizard is one-touch integration with Salesforce objects for greater productivity. As you can see, some of the most popular Salesforce objects can be selected with a single click, including Analytics Cloud. Other standard and custom objects can be selected with the Other Objects button. Selecting any particular object, in this case accounts, reveals all pre-built integration processes that are associated with that object. So if I select contacts, I'll see a whole list of processes that are associated with the contacts object. So let's go back up and select the accounts object in this case. And then once I scroll down, I can select any process that I want that's associated with accounts. And in this particular case, I'm going to select the import accounts from a CSV file process. Once I select my import accounts from a CSV file process, I'm presented with numerous options from where I can import the CSV file from. My own desktop, box, Dropbox, or even Informatica's own Project Springbok. In this case, I'm going to select a CSV file from my own desktop. Once I select the file, I have the option to filter data from the file if I want to, and then move on to mapping fields from that CSV file to my Salesforce accounts object. As you can see, a lot of the fields are already pre-mapped for me, and as I scroll through my list, I can find out whether any fields have been left out. And if they have, for instance in this case geographic latitude and longitude, all I need to do is drag and drop it for them to be mapped. Once I've finished mapping my fields, it's now time to run my task. As you can see in the final step, the task is automatically named for you, but you have the ability to change the name if you would like. So I finally go ahead and click on Save and Run in order to execute my data integration task. Once the data integration task has successfully executed, it's time to find out whether the records were transferred over to our Salesforce account object. So let's go into our accounts object, and as we can see, all the records from the CSV file have indeed been successfully transferred over into our accounts object. Thank you for watching this demo. For more information, please visit www.informaticacloud.com/data-wizard.